Okay, so before I get out and I do anything remotely active, I hurt my ankle. I sprained it. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a little bandage over it right now. I sprained it trying to go up for a rebound at the park. Won't be playing basketball for a very long time until I can learn how to not fall and trip on my face while trying to get a rebound. I went to the doctor. They said I sprained it. I'm out of work for like 4 days. So might as well create something. With the obvious impairment that I have on my ankle, I am not going to go any further up this hill. Just kind of wanted to come out here and get a beautiful nature shot. I'm not going to lie, for 20 minutes I was sitting in my room thinking and contemplating if I should even come and shoot this video. As a small YouTuber, it's hard to follow these rules. One thing that I need to work on is not worrying about the numbers as much as I'm worrying about creating. You see, I'm limping like a 3-legged dog or a 1-legged human. Worrying about the number of subscribers and the number of views you have in correlation to how many videos you have will not help you go further at all in your YouTube career or your filmmaking career. All that will do is increase your stress and your worry. Okay, so I know I may sound like I am complaining all the time, but I assure you that I'm not. Okay, so my ankle is sprained and my tonsils feel like they're about to fall out of my throat, okay? But I'm still pushing on, okay? My videos and my subscribers, you can look and take a peek at it, what it looks like for yourself. I'm having to give motivation to myself to keep pushing because it is really hard. This month has been super tough, but I'm not going to let that stop me from progressing and getting better at my craft and what I want to do. So, we need to create. My message here is to please don't stop, okay? If you don't see any progress, don't look at the numbers, okay? Because the numbers are not going to help you, okay? The numbers do not give you life. You don't wake up every single morning and thank the numbers. You're like, oh my God, I'm so thankful that I had 100 views on this video. Now I get to eat. No, that is exactly not how it goes. You need to be thankful for what you already have first, okay? So, yeah. Hopefully in the future I can get another lens. While this one has done me great, I'm getting real sick of that f3.5. In the future I'm looking at getting the Sigma 18-35 f1.8. It should allow me to record about the same distance as this one does, but it will allow me to have a much more detailed shot. Hopefully that made sense. So yeah. Now sometimes when I'm creating, I get a writer's block. Being able to just go out and create is not as easy as it sounds. I'm not trying to make it sound like it's very hard. I'm just making it sound like you have to plan it out, because if you don't plan, you're planning to fail. Okay, I saw that earlier today. I figured I might as well throw it in the video. I don't have much to talk about on the daily basis because all I do is work and make videos. And I mean, I guess I could talk about my photo shoots that I go on or the video projects that I shoot, but that all comes in due time when I know how to plan it out and I know how to actually record myself saying that, because I have found out that vlogging is not as easy as it seems, especially with a sprained ankle. I have got to tell you the truth. Having this sprained ankle has taught me one thing or another: patience, okay? If you don't have patience, you're gonna fail. You are going to fail. Because I have probably went out of the house, let's see, today was my second time today that you guys saw of me going out of the house. Yesterday, I went out of the house I think twice. The day before that, once. The day before that, none. And also, being myself is a real key component in making these videos. You can't just follow a script all the time. You have to kind of use your own brain and your thought process, or it'll sound like a little robotic teleprompter that you're reading off of. Now, like I was saying earlier, this f3.5 lens is not doing it for me, because this is about as bright as I can make it without making it grainy as crap in my own room, unless I turn an extra light on or something. But you know, that's all the extra work, right? Or maybe it's not. It would be an extra $600 if I buy that other lens. So maybe this extra light will do for now. I don't know. Now, one of the most hardest things that I've actually noticed about having a YouTube channel and being able to go and create is once you get out to create, you have to keep your audience engaged. And by keeping your audience engaged, you have to sort of ask questions throughout the videos, throw in some sort of like Easter egg in your video, or add something really special into your video to make the viewers want to ask a question. But if you are having trouble with filming or even going to create, the one tip that I can give you guys is to literally just start. I know if you've watched my previous videos, I've said that a million times, but I mean, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So if you guys could take away one thing from this video, please take away to just go and create, okay? Don't listen to the non-believers. Don't listen to the people who aren't doing what you're doing, because they don't know how tough it is, okay? So if you guys could take anything away from this video, please just go out and create, okay? Don't let anything stop you. So that is pretty much all that I have for you guys today. Just remember to never be satisfied and to always keep creating. And on that note, I will catch you guys on the flip. Always, what am I doing?